Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey Mariya, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I just made some tea and I'm feeling nice and relaxed. How about you, Mike?
I'm good too. Had my coffee, did a short walk, and now I'm ready to talk.
That's great. You always sound full of energy in the morning.
Yeah, coffee helps a lot. So, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is something so many English learners feel. I understand English, but I can't speak it.
Oh, yes. I've heard that from so many students. They say, I can understand movies, songs, and people, but when I try to speak, my mind goes blank.
Exactly. It's such a common feeling.
Yeah. And before we begin, friends listening, remember, you can download the full PDF of this conversation below in the video description.
Yup, the PDF includes this full script, plus vocabulary notes, comprehension questions, and speaking practice exercises.
Perfect for studying after you listen.
All right, Mike, let's get started.
So, Mariya, have you ever had that kind of feeling like you understand a language, but you just can't speak it?
Oh, yes. When I was learning Spanish, I totally felt that.
Really?
Yeah, I could watch Spanish shows and understand maybe 70%. But when someone talked to me, I froze. My brain just said, nope.
I know that feeling. It's like your brain knows the words, but your mouth refuses to say them.
Exactly. Like your brain and your tongue are not friends.
Yeah, they need to talk to each other more.
You know, so many English learners message me saying, Mariya, I understand English well. I can read and listen, but when I speak, I forget everything.
And it's totally normal.
Yes, 100% normal.
Because speaking is a different skill. Understanding and speaking use different parts of the brain.
That's true. Listening is passive. You receive information, but speaking is active. You have to produce it.
Right. It's like watching people dance versus dancing yourself.
Oh, that's a good example.
Yeah, you can watch and think, I know how to dance, but when you try, your body's like, wait, what do I do?
That's exactly how speaking feels. You know, I remember one really embarrassing story from when I was learning English.
Oh no, tell me.
Okay, I was about 16. I could understand English movies, songs, and even school lessons. But one day, a tourist from America asked me for directions.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he said, excuse me, do you know where the train station is?
Okay, simple question.
Right, but my brain went completely blank. I just froze.
Oh no.
I understood his question perfectly, but I couldn't speak. My heart started racing. I wanted to say, go straight, then turn left, but I just stood there, smiling awkwardly.
I've been there.
He probably thought I didn't speak English at all.
And inside you're screaming, I do understand.
Exactly. I remember going home that day feeling so frustrated.
Yeah, that can really hurt your confidence.
It did, but then I realized it's not about knowing words. It's about using them often.
So true.
I started talking to myself in English, like every day.
Oh, I love that method.
Yeah, I'd say things like, okay, Mariya, today you're making breakfast. What do you need? Eggs, milk, bread. Just small, simple talk.
That's perfect. That's how fluency grows, little daily moments. You know, one big reason speaking feels hard is fear.
Yes, fear of mistakes.
Exactly. People think, if I say it wrong, others will laugh at me.
But in reality, nobody cares.
Right. Native speakers don't care if you make a small grammar mistake.
They care about what you're trying to say.
Yeah. Like when my friend from Japan talks to me in English, I never think, oh, that's a mistake. I just think, Wow, he's speaking another language.
Exactly. People respect you for trying.
But fear can make your brain freeze.
True. I used to overthink before speaking. I'd think, is it do or does? Should I say in or at?
Oh, the grammar trap.
Yes, and by the time I decided, the moment was gone.
Yeah, conversation's already moved on.
That's why I tell learners, don't aim for perfect English, aim for communication.
100% agree. It's better to speak simple but clear English than to stay silent.
You know what's interesting? Many learners spend years listening and reading, but very little time speaking.
Exactly. Like, they watch 100 hours of English videos, but 0 hours of speaking practice.
Right. That's like watching cooking shows, but never cooking.
Yes, you can't become a chef by just watching Gordon Ramsay yell at people.
That's so true.
You have to cook. You have to speak.
And it's okay if it feels weird at first.
Yeah, I tell my students, you're not bad at speaking, you're just new at it.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, when you start something new, you're not supposed to be perfect.
Exactly. And speaking English out loud, even alone, builds confidence.
I used to record myself when learning French. I'd talk for 1 minute, listen, and then try again.
That's a great idea.
It helped me notice my pronunciation mistakes.
Yeah, self-recording is such a good practice tool. Okay, Mike, your turn. Did you ever have a speaking fail?
Oh, I have plenty.
Tell me one.
All right, when I was learning Japanese, I wanted to order water in a restaurant. So I said what I thought was, please give me water.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, the waiter started laughing. Turns out I said, please give me my grandmother.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone laughed. I was so embarrassed, but now it's one of my favorite memories.
That's amazing.
But you know what? That day, I learned the correct way forever.
Exactly. Mistakes help you learn.
Totally. If you never make mistakes, you're not learning.
Yeah, mistakes mean you're trying.
Let's share some easy ways learners can practice speaking daily.
Great idea. Okay, number 1, talk to yourself in English.
Yep. Describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. I'm washing the dishes.
Number 2, shadow native speakers.
Oh yes, I love shadowing.
Just repeat what they say, copy their voice and rhythm.
You can do it with movies, YouTube, or podcasts like this one.
Exactly. Number 3, find a language partner.
Right, someone to talk with, even for 10 minutes a day.
It could be a friend, a teacher, or even a stranger on a language app.
Number 4, join English clubs or conversation groups.
That's so helpful. When you talk in a group, you lose fear slowly.
Yeah, because everyone's learning together.
And number 5, think in English.
Oh, that's powerful.
Instead of translating from your language, start thinking simple English thoughts.
Like, it's sunny today, I'm hungry, or I need to study.
Exactly. That makes speaking more natural.
You know, language learning is not just about grammar or vocabulary, it's also about mindset.
Yes, mindset is everything.
If you keep thinking, I can't speak, then your brain believes it.
Exactly.
But if you tell yourself, I'm learning to speak, that's positive and true.
Right. You don't have to say I'm bad. Just say I'm getting better.
I love that. It gives hope.
Yeah.
Confidence comes after speaking, not before.
Yes, people wait to feel ready, but you never feel ready until you start.
So true.
The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. You know, Mick, sometimes I think people are too hard on themselves.
Yeah, definitely.
Learning a language is emotional. It's not just studying, it's part of your identity.
That's deep.
Yeah, when you can't express yourself, you feel invisible.
I know that feeling.
But when you finally say something and someone understands, it's like magic.
Oh yeah, that first successful conversation, unforgettable.
I remember the first time I spoke English fluently for 5 minutes. I almost cried after.
Aw,
It felt like a door opened, like suddenly the world was bigger.
that's beautiful.
And I want every learner listening to know that door will open for you too.
Yes, step by step, word by word.
Okay, let's do a small speaking practice for our listeners.
Great idea.
I'll say a sentence in English, and you, our listener, repeat after me, okay?
Ready?
Here we go. I understand English.
But I can speak, too.
I don't need to be perfect.
I just need to be brave.
I'm learning every day.
My English is getting better.
I can do this.
Nice job, everyone.
See, you just spoke English out loud. That's a big step.
Be proud of that.
So, Mick, what's the takeaway for today?
I'd say understanding English means you already have half the power. Speaking is just the next small step.
I love that.
Don't wait to be perfect. Speak now. Make mistakes. Learn. Laugh. Try again.
Exactly.
Because fluency isn't about knowing every word. It's about using the words you already know.
Yes. And remember, everyone listening, you already can speak. You just need to believe it and practice it.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
And friends, don't forget the PDF of this full script is in the description below.
You can read along, study vocabulary, and do the comprehension questions.
And tell us in the comments, do you understand English but find speaking hard?
We'd love to hear your stories.
All right, Mariya, this was great.
Yeah, such an honest and real talk.
I loved it. And to our listeners, keep speaking, keep smiling, and don't give up.
See you in the next episode of English Podcast Corner.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.